Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. It is time to say goodbye to full body whitening treatment for fair glowing skin. Naturally face beauty tips. Removes dirt from the pores and gives your clear skin. There are many home remedies for full body glowing face or how to make your full body skin glow online. Still you are looking for the best full body glow skin care tips for radiant skin which has no side effect but suits your oily skin or dry skin so well. This remedy is very effective for full body whitening skin and remove unwanted hair for your skin. Before start this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more video. How to 100% full body whitening treatment for fair glowing skin naturally. First step. Take 3 tablespoons of rice powder, 10 to 12 almond powder, orange peel powder, 2 tablespoons of multani mati and 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Then mix it well. You can save it any pat. Second step. 2 tablespoons of 5 item and 2 tablespoons of raw milk and sweet almond oil. Then mix well it and then massage it on your full skin smoothly. You will get full body whitening and soft whiten smooth skin instantly and will remove unwanted hair from your skin. You can use this home remedy 2 and 4 times in a week for best result. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please do share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.